I know putting yogurt on pasta sounds like a mistake, but hear me out, most creamy pastas leave you feeling heavy. In the Levant, we have been doing it differently for generations, using a traditional secret to get that perfect texture. This is a traditional Jordanian yogurt pasta that is genuinely simple, naturally light, and honestly, it might just replace your Alfredo sauce forever. So let's get into it. First, we're starting with the pasta. Add a generous amount of salt to your boiling water. For the pasta, I'm using this shape today because all those little ridges and curves catch the sauce beautifully. You want a pasta shape the sauce can really cling to, something like penne or macaroni, but honestly, use whatever you have because many people use linguine or spaghetti too. Then cook your pasta according to the package instructions. Give it a gentle stir every now and then so it doesn't stick together. While that cooks, let's make the topping. This yogurt pasta comes with a beautifully seasoned ground meat, and it adds so much flavor. I'm cooking about 200 grams in a drizzle of olive oil. If you are a vegetarian, you can totally skip this, but it adds a lovely classic touch. Let it sizzle away, breaking it up as it cooks, then season with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Very simple, very classic. Once it is done cooking, just set it aside. My ground beef is done cooking, the pasta is done cooking too. Now for the secret. You're about to see just how easy this really is. We are not cooking the yogurt, we are mixing 1 kilogram of full-fat yogurt until smooth and creamy. I know we're used to tomato sauce, cheese sauce, cream sauce, but this one is something special. It is cool, fresh, and comforting, and one of the reasons I love this so much, especially as the weather gets warmer, is that it feels light and soothing, not heavy. Plus, it is perfect for meal prep. You can make it ahead of time and keep it in the fridge and enjoy it whenever you're ready. Once your yogurt is silky and creamy, add 1 garlic clove and the juice of 1 lemon. And I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of Labaneh. You can substitute it with sour cream. To that, we're going to add a pinch of salt and some dried mint. The mint here is everything. It gives the sauce that fresh, herby flavor that works so beautifully with the tanginess of the yogurt. Mix it really well until every spoonful smells fresh and inviting. You can thin it out by adding some water, but this is how we want it. Now let's bring it together. Add the sauce to your serving plate. Then in goes the pasta. Toss it really well so every piece gets coated in all those creamy, tangy flavors. Look at that texture. If you enjoy Levantine dishes like this one, give this video a like. Then top it with the ground beef we made earlier. And by the way, if you want to keep it simple, you can absolutely make this just this sauce and the pasta. Now I also toasted some almonds and cashews, just a handful of each for the most delicious crunch. Pine nuts would also be amazing. And for fresh finish, I'm adding some chopped parsley. And there you have it, creamy, tangy, fresh, herby with a little crunch on top. Every bite is so satisfying. This is one of my go-to meals when I want something easy but still comforting. But now I really want to know, would you try this yogurt pasta or does it sound a little crazy to you? Let me know in the comments because I'd genuinely love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like and subscribe for more Levantine recipes. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.